Here's how I created time, even when I had none. The number one thing people tell me is, I want what you have, but I just don't know if I have the time. And I get it because I didn't either, especially in the beginning. I was buried in responsibilities, stressed out beyond, overcommitted, and convinced that adding one more thing would just break me. But here's the truth that changed everything for me. You don't find time, you create it. And here's how I did step by step. Step one, I tracked my invisible time. I started writing down where my time went each day, and it was shocking. An hour of scrolling here and there, a 45-minute phone call I didn't need, even just mental energy spent worrying. That overwhelms me all the time. I carved out just 60 minutes a day, and those became the foundation of my future. Step two, I stopped trying to be everything for everyone. I used to say yes to everything, but I realized saying yes to everything else was saying no to my future. That's wrong. We all fall into that rut at times. I started protecting my time like my life depended on it, because honestly, it did. Step three, I plugged into a system that saved me time. The key wasn't doing more, it was plugging into something already built. Literally just plug in with tremendous mentorship, automation, support, and clarity, all included. And that's how I went from survival mode to strategy to space and to peace. In part three, I'll show you exactly how I built a business that now runs in the background while I cook, I rest, spend time with my grandkids when I can, and actually got my life back. Comment time if this made it feel more possible. And don't miss the finale. Build freedom in 2 hours a day. And that's where you'll see a lot more.